Need to disable the firewall on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer temporarily? In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to turn off the Windows Defender Firewall safely and easily. Whether you're troubleshooting a network issue or testing software, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Remember to re-enable it afterward to keep your system secure.
First, open your Start menu. Open Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Open Windows Security. Open Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Domain Network. Now disable the Microsoft Defender Firewall. Press Yes. Go back to the firewall options. Click on Private Network. Disable the firewall. Press Yes. Go back. Click on Public Network. Disable the firewall. Press Yes. If you want to re-enable your firewall, just click on Restore Settings. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.